Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video we have this very glam and very easy makeup tutorial. So to start off, I'm gonna use a eyeshadow base. This one is very good by Danessa Myrikes, and this is the shade Nude 3. So I'm gonna start off applying all over the eyelid with a concealer brush, and I'm gonna spread it out. This eyeshadow base acts as a concealer, as you can see here, but today I want to use just to stick the shadows in the place. And if you're interested, you can even use a concealer in the place of the eyeshadow base. Because today I'm gonna use only neutral eyeshadow, so I don't have to make anything more pigmented. And next I'm gonna use a kind of rosy eyeshadow into my crease just to smudge the next colors that I'm gonna apply later on. And this eyeshadow is kind of skin tone shade, so I'm gonna apply with a big fluffy brush just to help to create the transition in my eyes. Next, I'm gonna apply a mauve shade also in my crease, and I'm gonna blend it out. To apply, I'm using also a big fluffy brush. And now I'm gonna apply a dark brown eyeshadow in the outer corners. And to apply, I'm using a smaller blending brush. Next, I'm gonna line my eyes using a black eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply in the roots of the lashes on top and also in the bottom lashes. And it doesn't need to be perfect because I'm gonna smash it out. And next, on top of the black eyeliner, I'm gonna apply the dark brown eyeshadow just to smudge it out. And to apply this color, I'm gonna use a very small brush, but if you don't have this brush, you can even use a lip brush as well. Most of the brushes that I'm using are from Sigma Beauty, and this one especially you find in my favorites brush set with Sigma Beauty. You can find it in sigmabeauty.com, and also you can use the code MelissaSB for 10% off. Next, I'm gonna go back with the first eyeshadow that I applied in my crease, and this will help to blend even more the lower lash line. So I'm gonna apply using a smaller blending brush. Now, to highlight a little bit, I'm gonna use a white eyeshadow in the tear duct area and also in the eyelid. To apply, I'm using a shader brush. And now I'm gonna apply a little more of the darker brown eyeshadow in my crease with a fluffy brush, just to create a more dramatic look. And now I'm gonna go back with the black eyeshadow and apply in the roots of the lashes with a very small brush. And now I'm using a lip brush. And to clean up the other corners, I'm gonna apply a little bit of translucent powder with a foundation brush. And next, to create a little more glam, I'm gonna apply a glittery pigment by Pillowies, and this is the shade A Hint of Desire. I'm gonna apply with a concealer brush right on top of the lightest shade. So I'm gonna go back with the black eyeliner and I'm gonna apply in the tear duct area with an angled brush to create this kind of cat eyeliner in the inner corners. And to finish off this look, I'm gonna apply a fake lashes and mascara, but if you like, you can just curl your lashes and apply a little bit of mascara as well. I like to use fake lashes, so I'm gonna apply the fake lashes by Velour. I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer in the waterline to open up my eyes a little more, and this is how I finished this makeup look. I really hope that you'll like it. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. And also follow me on Instagram. It is Melissa Samways for more content and to see more pictures of my work. And I see you in the next videos. Bye. Mwah. Take care and stay safe.